Although it be sporadic, there were major issues that we were finding with fuel contamination across our sites, and this, for us, seems to be the result that we were looking for. My name's Steve Wright. I work for ECL Civil Engineering as plant manager. So successfully now, FuelActive have fitted 100 units to our fleet, which consists of mainly heavy excavators, being Kobelco, Komatsu, and also our Terex ADTs. We now do not experience the fuel contamination issues that we once were on those machines. We do, however, still see some problems on those machines that haven't been fitted to as yet. So we found with FuelActive, the installation process was very straightforward. So machines like the one behind me on site is an SK350, and it would take FuelActive less than an hour to complete the fitment. And with this fitment, it is a fit and forget device. I'd certainly recommend FuelActive to anyone that runs a fleet such as we do. It decreases the downtime that we once saw with fuel contamination. It brings the machine utilisation up, allows the machine to run in a more fuel efficient manner. I would thoroughly recommend it.